wearing my boxer shorts.
I got a sharp thing.
I almost sounded more bad. He would like pissed himself.
Ow.
You mean how? Your penis.
I said, ow.
And he didn't even have the knife.
Dad, what's this behind your ear?
You nearly paper cut me, you
Jackass. Alright. No, my boxers.
turkeys.
Wait, what the knife? Oh, I needed some more. That's never
Ooh, that's giving you the knife like a real ass goon. So this is the front.
Health and safety. That's a bit close, right?
Wait, no,
I'll take it.
Okay, that's the front. That's the side. I mean, the back. That's the side. Oh, and that's the other side. Gizmo doesn't want to do his job.
I did it.
Yeah, but it wasn't focused. That's the back bottom.
Man, you are messing this up.
Hey man, just got back from work. I'm tired, okay? That's not the right way.
Nanny?
That's the right way. Yeah, and the sticker of authenticity.
See it there?
This is from Dokkan Battle. Did you know that, Jay?
The game.
Yeah. The mobile game.
I think I have another Dokkan Battle one. Pretty sure.
Do you want to get it because he has lightning?
Alright. So here on the inside of the flat, you can see
Pussy.
his...
This is how you put the lightning or electricity around him.
That's right.
I think it's electricity, not lightning. The electricity. That's actually pretty dope.
That's good, isn't it?
That's like better than this little mini one here. Like, he's like, peace.
The main reason I got that one was because it was Majin and he was doing his main move.
Yeah, that's actually that's my favorite Vegeta is Majin Vegeta. Okay. Like, they had one of Gohan with like electricity and Super Saiyan 2 and he looked dope, but I don't really like Gohan.
Yeah.
Because Gohan just like
horrible. Oh.
pussied out.
Oh, this is no, never mind, Dad. I said this would take like 5 or 10 minutes. It's gonna take a good 7 hours.
How? Number one goes where number one is.
Dad, we
Yeah,
both
but
know how
it's
Jamal
what it
does
looks
this
like,
stuff. He's
so-
not good. He's not right.
Is this one number one?
Oh, right. Although it's got the number one written on there, it actually hasn't got it written on here. Oh, has
So,
it? Hell no, it hasn't.
is this one? I don't think it is.
So you got to try and
It's
work
like a
it
puzzle.
out. What
Yeah,
is
it's
what?
like a bonus game. Okay, I think this is one.
Bonus?
Yes, bonus
Boner.
Bonus round.
game. I mean, a crackhead.
That's not even better, man. It's not better at all.
Okay, so like that, and then
Yeah, he's kind of right, man.
Can you even show the figure first?
I'll show it when it's complete.
Wow.
Fine.
Good boy.
It's gonna take a shot.
Because it's going to take you like
Only
good
'cause it's
years. I'm going to cut like a
a
good...
few years.
Oh, that actually looks pretty nice. The hair looks kind of brown though. Doesn't look really gold.
Oh, I was looking at the other one.
Oh, he actually has a big ass forehead.
He always had a big ass.
He looks tall though. Why does he look tall?
Cause he's.
He's not supposed to be tall.
Cause he's flying.
He's supposed to be
Yeah, I don't know
tiny,
what number that one is.
tiny man. Like
What
me.
the heck?
I'm a tiny man. I'm basically Vegeta, but better. Because my hairline's correct.
Correct.
I didn't.
Okay, so this is number,
I think I got one.
It's even, man.
number 5.
All right.
How do you know this?
Because it looked like that one there.
Well, they all look like
So
that one there.
has a leg,
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
and that's. Yeah. Yeah. Is it this way?
Dad, show the stand while he figures stuff out.
So,
This one's
oh,
fine.
actually, the stand's not too bad, you know. Right, so here, looks like an ordinary stand.
Oh!
I can understand.
But,
How?
what is that?
Jojo Bazaar's magic. I can't see it.
Can you see it?
No.
Oh,
Nice.
Oh, there we go.
hey. Hey, what do you think about that then?
Alright, so on it says Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle. And like just like a flash of, I don't know what the hell that is.
Around
It's a
it.
flash like a something.
Lightning around it.
Which is cool, which is actually part of like, if you're a Dragon Ball Z fan, you'll probably play Dokkan Battle, which is just like a mobile game, which is actually pretty fun, until it wasn't fun anymore.
Made a lot of sense.
Nice.
Because it was fun. Like, I enjoyed it. I banged the game out so much. But then I stopped, and then Dragon Ball Legends came out, another mobile game, and then I played that. I played the beta, and then
Just
I
trying to
played
see
the
if they
I,
actually fit.
I
Right,
played
this
the
is-
right.
I played the actual one,
This is number 1.
and then that one got boring, and then I never played a mobile game ever again.
Nah, that ain't right. Perhaps it was here.
Man, I'm gonna have to edit this. Oh shit, to like a full extent.
Nah, it doesn't look right either, does it? Oh wait, no. That is right. Is that? No, this one looks too long. No, what do we do? Okay, you said that's 1.
Number 1.
Should we show them all your pops while you do this?
I don't. Yeah, sure.
Alright guys, so he got pops recently. He doesn't unbox them anymore because he's a he. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know why. Tell them why you don't unbox your pops.
Yeah.
There we go. He doesn't care about you guys like I do.
I didn't see that.
So we're gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the pops we got in this room.
Baby one? Yeah, this is-
Wow, he does his thing because he's gonna take long. So mine are up there. Yeah, look at them. Mine are up there. That's Jay's. I got some more over there.
Wait, is it this one?
There you go.
I think it's 2. It doesn't
Figures
show-
I've unboxed before.
No, wait.
Over
Yeah,
there.
It's 2. Okay, I just need to get it properly inside of him.
Some more figures up here. One I haven't unboxed before, which was that Kylo Ren one. Which is not good to see because I'm gonna get the light now. Oh, there we go. That's way better.
Stabbing me.
Oh, that trophy. I made that trophy in high school. We got that. The Torah.
The one in his leg.
And then there's more up here.
Number 3 goes up his ass.
And then we got some more up there.
What? Oh, so
That's
that
gonna
one's
be
over here.
And then these are the pops he got. The new poppies.
So you say, Father. Oh, no, you're correct. So then this one's supposed to go like... Okay,
These are the ones he's unboxed once before. I think. Okay, that's enough. That's all. That's all, folks.
Does it look correct so far? So you got that, you got that.
Down. Let's see how he's doing.
Yeah, this is the last one.
Oh, good. You're on the last one. Oh, man.
Just gonna smack it inside. Like so. It's kind of difficult though. It's stabbing me and my skin is very delicate.
Like a woman.
Yeah. Yada does it.
Hurry up. Oh.
He's doing well.
Oh. You're gonna have trouble when you're older.
Slipping inside.
Yep.
I get it.
That's not it.
Oh, stop it!
Yeah, you try. Ow, my finger hurts now.
I hope
So it
that
goes that way
snaps then.
around, right?
Yeah.
Snaps. Snaps. Let me see the box. Ooh, angry people. Ooh, angry Vegeta. Ooh, angry Goku. Ooh. Oh, that's why it's a thing. Oh, it's dead Goku. Oh, right, that makes actually sense because, you know, they fought when he was dead. Have you done it? Finally.
One fell off.
Why?
Because you threw the box at it.
I didn't.
It's fine, this one.
We saw you.
This one was easy.
Snap.
I shouldn't have said that. It's super difficult.
Oh no! They're all falling apart.
So if you're doing this, get some glue.
Oh, dude. Oh, he also had a venomized rocket. But don't get that one, guys. He does not stand. Which is why it's not up there with the rest of them.
It's a defect.
Because
Didn't.
his foot is slightly bent, like he's tiptoeing or about to lift off. And because of that, he is not stable when he
And
stands.
BAM!
So
Yes.
he's taken it back
Right.
and we have finally done it.
Look at my trusty spinner ruiner thing on the jig right here.
Yeah, a box.
he is. He's mad. Yes, he is.
Now you have to get Goku to max it.
Haha. Yeah. You know what? This wasn't the best idea to spin the box.
I don't think it
Turn
was.
it around like that. There we go. And
So you want to tell us the details, what you like about it, what you don't like about it?
well, it's okay. Well, I like the lightning and the veins. You know, I like me my veins.
Ooh, that's weird.
I like how tight he looks too. You know what I'm saying? You see that? Yeah, you see that.
You dog.
So if you don't know, he likes ass. It doesn't matter.
It's pretty good.
Man, woman, animal.
No reason with that. Anyway, it's pretty good. I'm gonna give it.
Let me have a look.
Oh
So-
no! You better not
solid up.
smack his leg.
Oh, okay.
Oh, he's gonna smack his ass.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Well, that is tight. You're nasty.
What?
I'm gonna give
Nasty.
8.5
His veins.
out of
8.
10. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe and smack some buttons.
I don't know when it stops.
I'll
Shit.
see you next time. You're not gonna say yours? Okay.
On.
What do you
Okay,
mean
then.
on?
On our channel, the channel name.
Obviously, where else are we gonna see?
On Hentai Land!
We'll see you next time on Hentai Lads! Thanks for watching.
Peace.
Bye, happy for that.
Dun, 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 dun.